Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to part 10 and part 2 for how to crochet the edge, the border, the edging on this. So what I did is, just wanted to show you. Here, I did, these three, I did 28 chain. Remember, I used a bigger crochet hook, and this one turned out pretty tiny. This one wasn't bad, but I thought 5 more chain won't hurt. And I think 28 is the perfect number to go with. So it's up to you. If you want it longer, you can do that. So I'm at the corner. Remember, I said I'll meet you at the corner. So here, I made one. As you can see, I think this is perfect. Here I made one, and I'm going to make another one because this being a corner, I want to make 3. Okay, so here what I did is I made this, and I did double crochets on each double crochet, and then when I come to the 3 chain, I made 3 double crochet, and now I'm going to chain 28. Okay, so I'm going to chain 28. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, my yarn is twisted here. Let me fix this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 double crochets on each chain, but the 3 I'm going to consider that as a double crochet. So I'm going to go to the 4th chain right here. So it's the same thing I'm going to do over and over, so I don't want to waste your time. Okay, I'll be right back. I will finish this and then I will show you. So this is right at the corner right here, right the corner where we do the 3 chain, and then I'm going to make another one as I made like this. So I will make one here, and it will look nice on the 3 chain on the corner, the 3 of these hanging on the corner. Okay, so I just wanted to share you this part, and I think it's very important how to make these, but I'm not going to show you how to do this because I did that on the first part, which was part 9. I went over and over because I couldn't pause the video, so you saw what you did. So I would highly recommend you to go to part 9, which I posted earlier, just before this tutorial. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I have done the second one here. Just wanted to show you how it looks like. So 28, it depends on how you want it. Okay, so I did the second one on the corner right here. So this is one here. This is one right on the corner. As soon as I attach that one there, I made 3 more double crochets. Okay, so I'm gonna make another one right here. To do that, I'm just gonna continue making double crochets on the double crochets, just like this. And then right here, just checking. So right here, I'm going to make a double crochet, and then from there, I'm twisted again. They are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make again 28, and then make 3 double crochets on each, just like this, and then make another one here on the corner. Okay, so let me do that. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and on the fourth chain I'm going to make 3 double crochets right here, just like this. And I'm going to repeat what I just showed you. Okay, so after finishing all this, I'm just going to go back and see what I done. So I made one on top of the popcorn right here. So I'm going to come right here, and then I'm going to continue making double crochets on one double crochet on the chain, one double crochet on top of the double crochet. If I see 2 chain, I will make 2 double crochet, and then I will make another one right here, this curly spiral curly, and then I will show you, and it's just to repeat what we done right here. Okay, so let me just finish this and I'll be right back. So again, 3 double crochet on each chain. Okay, so I just finished. I'm going to close it up with a slip stitch. So instead of going here, I'm just going in between to close up that hole there with a slip stitch. I think this is the best way to close it up. And then I'm going to continue crocheting. So I have 1 double crochet on the chain here. I think it's 2 chain. Oh no, it's 1 chain. So I'll make a double crochet on top of the double crochet, and then continue making double crochets until I come to the popcorn, which is right here, and then I will make another one. So I did half of the side, and what you do is you just continue repeating what I just showed you, and then you make the edges if you want to make it this way. If you want to make it the other way, it's going to be a little bit time consuming. I just need to figure out, I think I have 3 bags, so I'm going to grab them and make a baby blanket. You know, these things just come to my mind, and I will start with the edge, and I will make 1 motif, and 1 motif is about 30 inches by 30 inches, and if I do the edges, so another 15, that gives me 16 inches, so I think it would be perfect for a blanket. Yeah, and I think I have green, light green color that I bought years ago. Walmart used to sell them. They would do clearance. I'm talking about, I don't know, 20 years ago maybe. They never do it. I never see yarn on sale at Walmart anymore. So the other choice is Michael's, right? Okay, so I crocheted up to here. Okay, so here is my one I made, so I'm going to repeat that from right here. So I'm not going to do it. I'll ask you to do it because I showed you how to crochet them. So I'm just going to lay this down here and show you how it looks like. Okay, here we go. It's a little bit tough to fit in. So this is the half. Think about it. It's really hard to fit in. Let me just pull this a little bit. So this is the half, and then what you do is you just repeat what I just did, okay? So here is the corner. Okay, so this is, I think this is better for you to see. Here it is. And I will take pictures and I will post them on Instagram. So what you do is, you just continue crocheting. See what I mean by roughly? Because I think I did 2 on, yeah, well, just try not to make it roughly. We don't want that thing. We don't want that. So just do it one at a time. See, these are perfect. Here it's a little bit less because of the bobble stitches. Maybe do two here. I don't know. I did one, but that's okay. So this is another method you can make. It doesn't have to be only on this. You can work this on anything. Yeah, and it gives you a nice texture. Yeah. And then what you do is you make one here, which we made one here, and then you come to the middle and you make one here, which one we made here. So just symmetric, right? Everything is equal. And then we made one here, and then you make one right here just before the, oops, can't show it. One make here, and then you continue, just follow what we did at the beginning as we did here. Doesn't fit. Yeah. I hope you like this tutorial. I just wanted to go over and show you. So this is how you can make it. And again, just be cautious. Here I see a little bit ruffle. Yeah, because I did here 3-3 because it was the corner, and go from there. I haven't made my mind. The color looks same. I don't see anything different. What do you guys think? I think the color is the same as the one, this piece. So this is good. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to let you go. I just love it how it turned out. You guys take care, and I'll see you. I will come back to show you the half motif, as I said. Let me see if I can find a picture. I did post it on my Instagram page. I think I shared it here as well, but let me just find a picture so I can show you. And then here it is. So can you see? So this is going to be the difficult one. It's half of this one motif, so it's going to be like this. Okay, just to show you, but I'm not going to do these popcorns, because these one has popcorns. We didn't do it that way. Okay, you need lots of yarn to do this. So what I'm going to do is, let me see if I can find another picture. Okay, here's the post that I posted on Instagram, and this is how the edging is going to be. Okay, just to give you an idea, because of the corner, we're going to play around with it to make the corner. You need lots of yarn to make this edging, but I will show you on the one piece, one motif, just to give you an idea how it will turn out. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I just need to gather the yarn. It's 100% cotton yarn again. The reason I'm working with 100% cotton, because it's a bedspread, right? We need it a little bit stiff. That's when you make the popcorns. Just to show you, when you make the popcorns with, well, acrylic yarn will work as well. It doesn't have to be cotton. I just prefer cotton. And I want to use up my stash. That's okay. The yarn, I will gather them. I think I have, again, 3 balls. And I have a bag here. Let me see if I can grab it from here. It's just across from me. Okay, here it is. I bought these from Zellers years ago. These were Burnett Handicraft. Look how much they were. This was the regular price. I bought so many, and I did return them. Yeah, those days you didn't have to have a receipt. And then they marked these for $5, so it was like $3 less, and I went and rebought them. I said to myself, I can make something out of this. So I don't know how many, but I am planning to make something with this. It's Burnett Handicrafter, and it's 100% cotton, and it's just good quality cotton, as you can see. I have 2 bags in front of me right here. Actually, I started a sweater, but yeah, I don't know. I just need to think about it, gather the yarn, and I think I see a cone there. Let me just grab that cone. Oh my goodness. I think I have another cone of this. These are 2 kilograms. This was But this is a lighter color. Lighter color than this, the one that I crocheted. So this is way lighter. This is 100% cotton. This is stiff cotton. I bought it from Turkey, again, 2 years ago from Crochet. And I do share who I bought it. If you want to go and check my Instagram page, the yarns that I buy. And I share who I buy it from. So I would highly recommend you to come and check my Instagram page. Yeah, this is really nice. This would be perfect. Maybe I have 3. If I had 3, that would be great, because these are 2 kilograms. 2 kilograms, about 4 pounds. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back to the border here. So I hope you liked this video. And yeah, so stay tuned for that other tutorial. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I need to get a new tripod. Keeps on falling down. Yeah, so stay tuned for that tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crocheting. Bye-bye.